What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing a tire change to the go-kart here. I know you guys haven't seen go-kart content in a while since I have my card, but yeah, today we'll be doing is tire change. Right here we have the tires, new ones, and yeah. Also, this is a package that I got today. I'm waiting for something else. But yeah, either way, this package is for my car. You may see later on. But yeah, we'll be doing that. We'll be focused on that maybe on Friday. But for now, we're gonna do is the tire change on the go-kart, and then yeah. So yeah, from that, let's get started in today's video. We have here 2 tires for the go-kart today. As you may know by the tires already, you can tell is that these tires are flat already since we did the shoot on the editing, the video I did. But yeah, these are done completely. These 2 are flat, so we're gonna be installing these new tires today. And for the front ones, we're gonna hold on for the front ones. Just give it maybe about let's say about 2-3 months more, and then we'll do a tire change as well for the front. But for now, we'll be changing the back, and then yeah, we're gonna put them on as well. So yeah, any further than that, let's get started. Take off the tires, everything, and then put the new ones on. Let's go from there. Now we have the tires off. Yep, they're right here, and they're completely flat. This one has a little bit of air, but we're gonna change this one as well. This one's completely flat, as you can tell. No grip, nothing. So yeah, I'm gonna get some dish soap, and then yeah, we're gonna use flat heads to take them off from there. So yeah. All right. So I'm back now. I got the dish soap right there, and some water, toothbrush, and 2 flat heads to take off the tires. But yeah, first thing you want to do is get the toothbrush and water, rub it around the rim, and then from there use the flat head to carefully, carefully use them or move them a little slowly, and then go around until the tires comes out. Okay, it's coming out. After hours of trying to undo the tires, I'ma just cut them off since we're not gonna use them no more. Either way, they're completely trash. Oh my goodness. plan B. Use the grinder. There, see? You may see now, sorry for the background thing, we're on call with the teacher right now, and here's Mario right here, by the way, he's here as well. But anyways, we managed to get the tire off. Plus I know most of the car community are gonna make fun of me why I cut this off, but it's alright. What we're gonna do is install this tire in, the new tire in, and as well fix this one as well, because it's not all the way in, but we're gonna try to put that in as we can. But for now we're gonna install the other tire in there, so we're gonna put that in there and then put everything back to normal, and then get this go-kart running again. But yeah, we're gonna kill a time lapse because this is a lot of work. I've been here like for just an hour. It's almost 2 hours I've been out here, but it's worth it. So yeah, don't make memes of me. I don't want that to happen. Unless you're Mari, then probably you are. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna do a time lapse, and let's get back to work. What is up, you guys? It's the next day, as you may know by the difference now. The sun is out than it was yesterday, and yeah, so yesterday we called it a day. We managed to get one of the tires in, but our problem is that we technically bent the whole rim here, and we're gonna unbend that how this original form is. So yeah, and plus we gotta fix this other tire that's halfway in right there. But yeah, yeah, I woke up really very sore from all that work yesterday that we did. It was pain, but yeah, we're gonna start getting work on this, get this done and out of here so we could do some more content. Alright, you guys, here's a quick update. I don't think I'll be able to fix this tire down here because it's very hard. It looks like it's done, but you can tell by the gap right there. So yeah, and this one over here I managed to get fixed, but I won't go where, so we gotta get that finished done. But yeah, this was a complete fail, but it was not worth trying this at home, so do not try this at home either way. But yeah, this is the end of the video. A complete fail for today. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you haven't already, follow me on my Instagram. But yeah, complete fail today, but I will do another video of this when we go to the tire shop, how to do. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Pocket pussies.